do something? I thought it would be 5 o'clock by now. It's freaking 1:43. I'm gonna kill someone.
Oh my god, it's only 1:43.
I know, right? Hey, Mom.
I don't know why you guys all woke up bright and early.
I woke up at 7:30 because all of you, someone was snoring, Mom. But like for real though, like Felicia, is this a lighter? What is this?
Luckily, it wasn't as bad as they said. Right?
What are you doing? I'm filming?
Yeah, why?
When you're low-key gay?
Stop filming me. Fuck you.
No, Mom, I'm just kidding, man.
Oh, the roof is broke there.
Don't put
Mom, we knew that hours ago. Why are you saying that like